Oh, wow. Okay, I think, yeah, we'll be good.
I'd be able to see it.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Clear in the area of pad E3. This is Miles Anderson's. This is a Cicerone. This is not a Sparky motor. This is an I-255. Our range is go. E3 is up. And we're going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Okay. We got Apogee. Just waiting for shoot. It's coming down. Coming down. There it is. There's shoot.
Looks like you got some kind of a shoot, and he is a dual recovery.
Right.
So he should get a main soon.
Okay.
Right?
I think he is under main.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of slow.
There you go. No.
There it is. There it is. Yep. Sorry.
All right, he's on main now.
Okay.
Okay, range is cold. If you want to go out there and recover rockets, go ahead and recover rockets. I will check in other rockets. We're going on pad E1. The continuity is good. Range is go. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch it.
Wow. Okay. E1.
Going on to E1. This is Terry Gilpin's Rainbow Connection. This is an I-377 Loki motor.
Hold.
We're holding.
Because that is right in the flight path.
What do you see?
The rocket coming down is right over the flight path.
Okay, I'm holding until I hear otherwise from you.
Yep. I'll let you know when we're clear.
Okay, I'm holding.
Okay, we're clear.
Okay, we're going to go ahead on E1. Ranges go. You're going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch.
Apogee. We have,
I heard the vent.
yeah. And we have parachute.
Okay, well, good.
Hold though, because it's right above.
Okay, keep an eye on it.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Is it a hazard at the moment?
No, 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 no. Only to the rocket that you're going to launch.
Okay. Let me know when I'm clear on that.
Yeah, about 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you're clear.
Okay, we're going to go on to pad E2. Okay, E2 is Andrew Dosh's. This is a H-123 powered rocket. This will be a skid mark, which is a Sparky motor. Have to reload. So we are ready to go on pad number E2.
Yes, sir.
Ranges go. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch.
Give me the feedback.
Yep. We're at Apogee. Pushing over. Oh, we got separation.
We have separation?
Yep.
Okay, we have separation. We got 2 parts coming in.
Are they all in the clear?
Yeah, they're clear. I mean, they're attached to each other. They're just separated.
Okay, but they're not.
No. They're coming in on parachute. Yep.
Are they definitely separated?
Yep. But I mean, they're attached to each other on the cord.
You
yeah.
didn't have separation of parts.
Right.
Ejected.
Ejected, I meant. Sorry. I'll learn my terms better.
Yeah, separation is a problem.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I meant they.
So range is cold.
Yep.
Okay, I'll check in other birds. Again, I need to get C is in Charlie 4. This is James Crampton's rocket. It is an Arrow with a G100. This is a skid mark, so it will light up the sky a little bit. We'll also make sure on the range that we're clear. We don't have any ground fires out there. So again, on D4, we're going to go as soon as I select the pad. Okay. C4, I'm sorry, C4. We're good on C4. Okay, ranges go. We are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Keep an eye on the rocket. I'm watching the range. Make sure I say it fires.
Yep. We're at apogee. I can't tell if there's a chute, but it's right above us, so heads up.
Keep an eye on it. Okay, it's right above us. I'm not sure if there's a chute on it or not.
Yeah, it's chute. It's
on chutes.
Yep, and it's drifting back over the field, so we're good.
Good fight.
Yep.
And the field is clean. There's no fires on the field.
No.
Okay, we're going out to the high power birds. Pad E1. I have John Carey. He's got a rocket called the Hellcat with an I-215. This is a red line motor, so it'll be a red flame. Okay, range is go. Selecting the pad. Pad is go. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch.
Oh.
Okay, that was a misfire. It looks like it spit the igniter or something.
Yep.
So we're going to call that. But St. John, if you've got another igniter, you can keep the pad. Just so let you know when the range is cold. Okay, on pad 2, James Scrampton. He has a rocket called the Night Tube, H100 powered. This is a Cicerone skid mark, so this will be the white flames and stuff. Okay, pad is selected. We're go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch. Okay, watch the rocket. I'm just looking on the field.
Yep. Right over apogee. I see deployment.
Where? Parachute?
I don't know. It's kind of coming a little.
All right, we're gonna call it good.
Yeah.
On the first table where
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Okay, going on to pad E3. This is Terry Gilpin's, the rocket known as Pink. And it is, just to keep in the theme, this is a G, as in George, 145 pink motor. So this will be a pink flame. So on E3, pad is selected and go, range is go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Wow. Okay, that's right above. Waiting for apogee. Okay, I heard deployment.
Does it look like it's slow coming down?
Yeah, it's under drogue.
Okay, just keep an eye on it.
Yep, I see it spinning. It's coming over towards.
Okay, I think I see it out there.
Yeah, it's right.
Out to the right.
Yep.
It's slow. It's a good flight.
Okay.
Hopefully I'm looking at the right rocket. But
yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, we're good. We're clear.
Okay, range is cold. Range is cold. Go recover your rockets. And on E1, John, you can go replace your igniter.
I'll see if I can find one.
Okay, landed.
4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
All right, that's above us. I don't have. Oh, there's shoot. And we're good.
Good. Okay.
Coming down. It's gonna probably go towards E.
Okay, is it not near any people?
No, we're
I
good.
see it, it's on range.
Yep.
Oh, there you are. Okay.
Okay, we're going to pad A8. This is. Okay, looks like Allen Lake. It's called Zeus Lightning, and it is an E12-6. Range is go. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Apogee. Waiting for deployment. Okay, we got shoot.
All right, all good.
Good flight.
Daddy, can I get close? That looks like a white snake.
Okay, going on to pad Echo 1, E1. This is a high power flight. This is Taylor Heidenheim's rocket. It's basically an Arcus H170M. Okay, so this will be a metal flake rocket, Sparky rocket. Okay, continuity is go, range is go. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
My eyes are on fire. Ow.
Okay, that's above us. It's at apogee.
Ground fire.
Yeah, and I don't see a shoot. Coming down ballistic. Oh, shoot. We got shoot. We got shoot.
All right.
Hey, the range is hot. Who's going out on range?
Fire,
Range is
fire,
hot.
fire, fire, fire.
Okay, put the fire out. Let's go have fire. Coming up hot. Okay, pad is go. Range is go.
Yep.
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. You have to talk to it.
Yep. Waiting for apogee.